Yeah, you know what it is now, don't you? Yeah, see.
Oh no! Was she scared of her too long?
What's that? What the fuck? Tom, what'd you put in here? What the fuck did you put in here?
Oh, that's
What
brutal.
the fuck was that? Bro! Like, you get me out of this thing, bro. It fucking stinks! Dude, that's not funny!
Oh my god.